Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share a very interesting recipe, hot chocolate bomb. It is getting viral in TikTok and other social media platforms. Hot chocolate bombs are a melty magical treat that transforms into a steaming mug of hot cocoa right before your eyes. It bursting with explosive flavor. A hot chocolate bomb is the perfect edible gift for this Christmas or any holidays. I'm always on the lookout for new and interesting edible Christmas gifts ideas, so when I saw these hot chocolate bombs on TikTok and other social medias, I just knew I had to make them. Nothing is more comforting during the winter than curling up with a hot mug of cocoa after spending the time in the cold, right? I'm going to share some tips and variations for this recipe. Stay with me till the end. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make these delicious hot chocolate bombs. For the hot cocoa mix inside, you can use your pantry staple mix or you can make your own. Today I'm gonna make my own hot cocoa mix. To make this cocoa mix, check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. To the clean and dry bowl, add 1 cup of milk powder, half cup of confectionery sugar. Make sure to sieve powdered sugar before adding. Add 1 cup of cocoa powder. I'm using this Dutch processed cocoa powder. I have given the link for this in the description box below. Please do check it. Mix it all together until well combined. It smells so good. Cocoa mix is ready and keep it aside. Check on the ingredients to make chocolate bombs. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Chop the chocolate bar into small pieces or you can use chocolate chips instead. Make sure that the workspace, your hands, bowls and knives, everything should be dry. If it is wet, you won't get a perfect chocolate. Add the chocolates into the bowl. I'm using my Instant Pot to do double boiler for making this delicious hot cocoa bombs from scratch. Pour 1 cup of water into the inner pot. Turn on the saute mode. Place a bowl on top. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. It helps the chocolate to get harder easily. One that fits against the edges to keep the steam content under the chocolate. You can also do it in the stove top or you can melt the chocolates in 15-second increments in the microwave. Once the chocolate started melting, stir the chocolate with metal spoon or spatula continuously. Once it's almost melted, turn off the saute mode. Mix until the chocolate is melted and smooth. Keep it out. To make this hot chocolate bombs, grab your infamous Instant Pot silicone egg bites mold, or if you want a perfect ball shape, use this hemisphere mold. Today I will show you how to make chocolate bombs in both. If you need one of these, I have given the links for these in the description box below. Please do check it. Place about 2 tablespoons of melted chocolate into each mold. Using a spoon or pastry brush, distribute the chocolate so it coats the inside of each mold evenly. Place this in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. Do the same to the egg molds as well. Check the molded chocolate for thin spots. especially around the mold's edges, and recoat with more chocolate if needed. If it is too thin, it will break when you take it out from the mold. Place back into the freezer for another 5 to 10 minutes. Carefully remove the chocolate from the molds by expanding the sides and press the center of the mold and take it out. Look at this, it's perfect. Don't mind these edges, we are gonna level it soon. If you're using an egg mold, you can swirl around with a little bit of hot water quickly. It will help the chocolate to release easily and push it down like this. Look at this perfect shapes. Then use a warm pan or plate. Place the one half onto the pan and gently rub to even out the edges. Fill it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot chocolate mix. Add in a teaspoon of peppermint candies, or you can add your favorites, and a small handful of marshmallows. Take in another empty half circle and even out the edges on the warm pan or plate. Immediately place that half on top of one of the filled halves. Hold and press for 10 seconds to help the chocolate stick. Repeat this process with the remaining. For the one you made with egg molds, fill the filling and cover the top with extra melted chocolate. Freeze it for another 10 minutes. Decorate your chocolate bombs with drizzled melted white chocolate, sprinkles or crushed candies as desired. When you are ready, drop a hot chocolate bomb to the cup. Pour hot milk or water over the top. And they magically melt open, revealing the special add-ins. Of course, kiddos absolutely love them, but adults like me are pretty obsessed with them as well. This tasty treat is so much fun and appeals to the kid in all of us. You can store this choco bomb in an airtight container in a cool part of your kitchen for the best results, or cellophane bags for gifting. These can be stored in your fridge, but it's probably not necessary. You don't need to freeze them back. Here are some tips and variations to get a perfect chocolate bombshell. Tip number 1. You can use any type of chocolate bar, chip or candy melts to make this recipe. Although I think chocolate have a better flavor than the candy melts, try using dark chocolate or white chocolate. Tip number 2. Prepare several chocolate shells in advance and store them for filling at a later time. This makes prep quick and easy. The entire recipe can also be made in advance. Tip number 3. When you're filling the bombs, you can add pumpkin spice, cookie crumble, cinnamon or mocha. Tip number 4. You can make the same with white chocolate with white choco mix. Tip number 5. If you're using egg molds, swirl around with a little bit of hot water quickly will help the chocolate to release easily. Tip number 6. For fancier bombs with clean edges, I recommend using shallow sphere chocolate molds. Tip number 7. When you're assembling, wear food-safe gloves and dip your fingers into ice water as needed to avoid melting the chocolate or leaving the fingerprints. Do try this with your kids and enjoy the holiday with your loved ones. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.